Meaning of fullback.
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 Fullback. In American football and rugby, a fullback is a position played by a member of the offensive backfield. The primary role of a fullback is to block for running backs, but they can also be used to carry the ball themselves or catch passes out of the backfield. They typically line up behind the quarterback and in front of the halfback. Fullbacks are generally larger and stronger than halfbacks, and their position has declined in importance as more teams have adopted passing-focused offenses. Overall, the fullback serves as a versatile and physical presence on the field.